Hey guys, and this is my new Lego candy machine. It takes like 50 or 25 cents, so this is where you get your candy. Okay, so as you can see, there's no candy. See, no candy inside. Okay, so when you put the coin inside, and then you get the key, and then you push the key inside right there. Oh wait, I messed up. Alright, so you put the coin right there, and then you push on the lever, and look what happens. Look at the chocolate. There you go, there's your chocolate. Here's your, sometimes your coin comes out of there, and then your chocolate. And then your chocolate comes out. Right there. So the mechanism is that, I don't want to take off the roof because it takes like really hard. It's really hard to build back. You could just shake the coin out. You could just shake the coin out if you want. And so the mechanism is this coin. If you put the key in alone, it will do nothing. And then if you put a coin, and then you put in the key with the coin inside the coin slot, it will contact the candy bar, and then it will push it out of here. Okay, so to reload it, you do that, and you just push it inside. Right there, and you can't see it anymore. Just like if you look over there somewhere, you might see it. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Coin. Key. Candy. Sometimes the coin doesn't come out during like you need to shake it. It rolled off. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this candy machine. And rate, comment, subscribe. Bye. I'm going to make more of these candy machines later, so see you later. Bye.